Hello guys, welcome to Drone Reveal series part 1. So let's start it. So I have this drone object. So this is an animated object, and I found this model on the Sketchfab. If you want, you can download from there. So I have this character. I connect this model with the null and uh, and scale this uniform size into 0.1. So by default this is very big size, so that's why I just rescale this with the null, and after that I took a geometry. So in the object merge we have to call our character, and by default here in the transform it is set with the none option. So we have to change it into this object so that our object will be on our scale size. After that I just converted this into polygon. So when I convert this, we got this some unwanted points. So for this I'll just take a clean node here, so we get rid of this unwanted points. Now I'll take match size. So our character should be on the grid. So here I'll choose minimum in the y-axis, and now I want to airtight my geometry so our mask will work properly. So for this I'll take VDB from polygon, and I just reduce this voxel size to increase the resolution, and I'll take here now convert VDB to convert this into polygon again. We can reduce this resolution. So this is, I think this is okay. And now I'll take here a scatter node or scatter some points. Before this VDV from polygon, I'll take time shift and freeze this character on a particular one frame so that it will not move. Right now it is animated. So if I convert this into VDB, or maybe convert this process before this time shift without freeze this frame, so our polygon will move. So that's why we have to freeze this on a particular frame. Maybe I'll take 200, so we get proper position, every detail of this model. Now I have this scatter points. After this I'll take here distance along geometry. So here I'll choose the start points. So I just click this arrow and select one point and press enter, and I copy this distance attribute. Now I'll take point warp and here I'll take bind node and bind our distance attribute, and now I'll take here fit range and I'll take a ramp parameter, and I'll connect this distance into value, and this should be here and this ramp should be in the CD. So I'll take spline ramp, and we have to control this ramp on the outside the node. So I'll just control middle mouse click, so it will turn this ramp in by default position. And now just turn off this grid, and this should work. So I have to place the distance along geometry on this before the scatter. So I just have this now, and I think we have to just add this point warp here. Yeah, it's working now. So I have to place this distance along geometry before the scatter, and this point warp is also placed under this distance along geometry. And now we have this our starting point of the ramp, starting point of the mask, and now we can just increase this for our mask, so we can promote this source maximum, so we can manipulate this outside this node. And here I'll take add node and promote this input 2 for offsetting, and so I'll show you here. So we have this maximum value should be 1, and we can offset our mask, which is this one, input 2. So right now I'll take this as 0, and here we can add turbulence to our mask. Turbulence noise I'll connect this position here, and noise will be input 3. Now I'll animate this parameter. Before this, I just invert this ramp, and in the starting it will be completely black, and at the 60 frame it will completely white. So we have our mask, so we can adjust this turbulence parameter. First of all, I'll just promote all the parameters for the outside, and now we can just take simplex noise, and increase maybe this amplitude and decrease some roughness. So we have our mask here on the point also, or maybe we can add this scatter before the point pop. Yeah, it is working the same. Now I'll take here a null, and here I'll take delete node, and I just select this delete by expression. So I want to get rid of this black points. So here I'll type add cd less than 0.1 and select this entity points. So we have this masking points, and here I'll take a time shift and offset this 4 frame. So we have this, and here I'll just collect, I just give them a black color. So I'll take color node and give it to black color. And before this, I'll copy this delete node and paste it here. And here now I'll take attribute transfer. So here in the condition, I think we have to reduce this. And here now I'll take here pop network. In the pop network, we have two emission type will be all points because we have these points, and geometry source will be the first input, and here I'll choose the life expectancy 0.7. Yeah, that's it for point popnet, and this will be our effect. Yeah, before this popnet, I have to delete these black points. So I'll just copy this node and paste it here. So if I play this, yeah, it's working properly. So after a few frames, it will delete. It will delete also. And here I'll make a edge mask. So for that I'll take point warp and I'll take bind node. So in the popnet we have already a edge attribute, which is this one. So I'll use this edge and here I'll take fit range and I'll take here parameter ramp parameter and connect this ramp in the CD. And here I'll choose a spline ramp and I'll go outside and click on this ramp. Maybe I can decrease this around 6. So this is our edge ramp. And now I'm going to transfer this mask on our animated geometry. So for this, I'll take here point warp again and I'll connect this second input to the RS static geometry, and third input will be our animated one. Here I'll take a XYZ distance and I'll take primitive UV primitive attribute, and here I'll just connect this position with position, and input will be in the second input and primitive in primitive and prim UV with the UV, and I collect this one with the position, and the file will be our animated one, the third input. So it should work, but it's not working. Where is our geometry? Okay, we have to change here. Instead of CD we have to change here P for position. So now it will work. So here I'll take null. So that's it for the part 1 for creating this mask. In the next part we will make the hexagon effects. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.